Hey guys, I'm Shannon, and I usually do essential oil classes live, and I'm really missing them. So I thought I would get my friends together and do one online so I can keep teaching and sharing about what I think are amazing bottles of magic. So I have my friend Frida here today. Hi Frida.
Hi, hello.
How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Oh, so good. Thank you so much for being here today.
Oh, you're welcome.
Oh, I really love your outfit.
Thank you.
You clearly worked on that a lot. So, Frida, you're kind of an expert in this field. Can you tell us what an essential oil is?
Well, an essential oil is made out of plant juice.
Plant juice. That's pretty simple.
Yep.
Okay, great. So there's a couple things we need to remember before we talk about uses of certain oils, and those are some safety tips. So can you tell us a few, Frida?
Yes. So, never go out in the sun with citrus oils or else it will burn your skin. And do not put oils in your eyes, ears, or nose.
Okay. I also have another friend here, and his name is Ned. Ned, thank you for being on today.
Hey.
I really appreciate you being here. I know you're a busy man.
Dagnabbit, you're right, mate.
So I know you have a few favorite oils that I'd love for you to share some ways that you use lavender. So this is what lavender looks like. You want to smell lavender? It smells good, huh? Yeah. So what are some ways that you like to use lavender, the Swiss Army knife of oils?
Oh, I love me some lavender. It's great for focus, sleep, tiny buns, and hair growth. Look at my hair.
You are, oh yeah, you're looking, wow. It's
Been growing like a weed.
It is, I can tell. Smell lemon. Yeah, that's really good. That's awesome. Okay, what is one way that you can use lemon?
You can use it for detoxing, and it's very good for getting sticky stuff off, like sap and stickers.
Right, so it's good for flushing the junk out of your body. It's really good for the immune system, and like you said, Ned, it's like nature's Goo Gone. And Ned, what's a great way to use Raven?
It's a great way just to smell it and get all the clear airways up.
Oh, it opens up the airways, right?
I can use some right
sounds
now.
Like you need it. Wow. Again, can you tell me why Thieves is so popular?
It's very good for it's very good for the immune systems.
Yeah, okay, so you could diffuse it, Ned? Is that a yes? Okay, you could diffuse it, you can put it on your feet, you could make a feel better tea. Ned, we okay? Ned really likes Thieves.
It makes me funny sometimes.
Okay. Okay. Ned, you might want to know, and I'm not sure you know about it, but there's an oil called Peace and Calming, and it is a blend of oils, and a lot of parents really, really like to use this for their children and their dogs too. So have you ever used Peace and Calming, Ned? Ned, I'm over here.
Hey?
Yeah, Ned, I'm over here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Hey, what do you think about Peace and Calming?
You can really get, calm down sometimes, if you just need to take a break for once.
Yeah, so I can actually put a drop on your head, and it really could, kind of get in and just help give you a feeling good.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. 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 I hope have a peaceful rest.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. And then we have Citrus Fresh, which is a blend of citrus oils, which who doesn't love citrus oils? But it also has a little bit of mint in it. So it's really, really a great oil to diffuse. Ned, have you smelled Citrus Fresh?
I have not.
Oh, you haven't? Here, take a whiff.
Yeah. Hey.
Is that nice?
Yeah.
It's like very fresh.
Yeah.
So it's a really, really great oil to put in the diffuser. Like I said, you can also put it in your water though and make a refreshing afternoon drink with some ice. Can we talk about Valor? Have you ever smoked?
Oh my gosh, that is my favorite oil.
Okay, tell me why.
Yeah. Valor, does not prevent courage. It makes courage. It's just... It's just like that. So...
And then there's Stress Away, which is my personal favorite perfume because of the way it smells and how it makes me feel. Do you like Stress Away, Frida?
Yeah, that reminds...
And then there's Digest. What is Digest for, Frida?
It is for your tummy.
For all things digestion, right?
Yeah, you gotta
So,
digest.
How would you use it?
Well, so you would just put 1 or 2 drops on your stomach, rub it in, and then what you gotta do is you just gotta wait, and your tummy will feel better by the minute.
Oh, frankincense.
Oh, that oil.
Frankincense is
So,
amazing.
so that oil, it helps for calming and grounding.
Definitely.
And it also helps to make your skin look beautiful.
Like yours.
Yeah. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Let me show you off.
Cut.
Wow, we covered a lot of oils just now. Do I have to go buy every single one of those individually, or is there a better way to get them?
No. Go to youngliving.com and buy the premium starter kit, which comes with 12 oils and a diffuser. And that was my first order ever. And Mrs. Shannon here, standing right there, she can teach you. Wait, did I pronounce it right?
Yes, you did.
Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.
Stop. Okay.